Hello everyone. So I'm back with an exciting video where we have built this e-commerce website using MERN Stack application, which means the UI is built on React, the backend is in Node.js, and the database is MongoDB. So let's dive into this. Here you can see that we have an amazing menu over here where we have the logo, the menus, and the profile icon. We, and then we have this banner image, which is a fully responsive banner image with and buttons to slide the images. Down below we have shop by category and also shop by brand. And these are few of the sample products, and we have this footer. This is highly customizable MERN Stack application, so this is what the user will see. And if you want to customize anything or add or remove any product, all you have to do is you have to go to an admin panel. This is an amazing admin panel where you see that these two banner image were present on a website. If you want to add more banner image, all you have to do is click on this drop image, go to a particular path. So I will be going to a path where I already have few banner images created. Let me go to that. uh, Give me a moment. Yeah, it should be here. Yeah, so inside this I have this banner 3 image. I'll be adding that. Once it is getting loaded, and then we have to click on upload, and it will be uploaded over here. Once I see that it is being uploaded, all I have to do is I have to go to the actual website and click on refresh, and you will see that the newly uploaded image is being added over here. Here you go. The same goes with adding a product or editing a product. We have this product section where you can edit a product. If you want to change any of the price, for example, I want to sell this for 480, I'll just edit this and it will be done. And this is all real time. We can add a new product by adding the image, title, description, category, brand, price, sale price, and stock available. And once you add it, you will directly start seeing it over here. We also have something called as category sorting and filtering. Over here, if you want to sort any product by category, you can do so. Here we can also sort by various options like price high to low or title A to Z. This is fully functional e-commerce website. This is also a responsive website. So if you want to see in a responsive mode, you will see that everything is responsive. All the menus and everything is in responsive mode. And if you are planning to build this from scratch, I was trying to build this from scratch. It takes 3 hours, 13 hours, 15 hours. But here, if you want this template as a starting head, you will get this only for $5. This is less than a pizza price. So if you are excited about this project, I'll add the link in the description and you can buy this project. You will be getting client and server folder. All you have to do is you have to go inside your project, and then for the client all you have to do is run this npm run dev, and for the backend all you have to do is you have to run this command node server.js, and it will be starting the server for backend and parallelly front end. And in the env file all you need is mongodb uri, cloudinary. This cloudinary is free for uploading the image and fetching the image. You also need paypal account. So yeah, I forgot to mention that the payment is also integrated inside this. If you want to buy any product, you can go to a PayPal checkout page as well. So over here, if you go over here checkout page, you see that we have to add this address. Once the address is added, you have to click on checkout with PayPal, and it will make the payment as well. And once the payment is done, you can go to this account and check your orders. This was the order what I was trying to make, and this is the address what is always editable. And in the admin panel you can check what are the orders you have received so far, and to view the details you can see that the order status is pending and the payment is also pending. So this is how the project is built on. This is fully responsive and customizable. And also there are two types of user into that application. So once you log in into the application, or before login, you have to register the application, and once you register you have to go to the users, and here there are two roles, admin and users. So make one of the role as admin, and then you will, with this user id and password, you will be able to log in as admin and manage all of your application. And one and other all the users will be users, and that will be able to purchase any products from your website. So that's all about the product and also the website. So if you are willing to buy this, kindly let me know. Thank you.